Welcome, here I've got OnePlus 8T and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's focus on this button, the second from the right. By tapping on this we can manage a ratio of this camera. Now we are in 4:3 ratio, this is how it looks like. At the center we have full camera aspect ratio, so full frame. This is how it looks like, and when we tap on this button once again, we can go to the right corner to 1 and 1. So this is how it looks like, this is the square one. Of course, by tapping on this button once again, we can easily go back to the left corner here to 4:3 ratio, the original one. And this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.